I'm hungry. You're hungry. Welcome to the channel. So today, as you can see, we're gonna make some fettuccine alfredo. You can use this sauce for anything, and this busts every time, man. Every time, no disappointment, cause you know your girl know how to up the kitchen. You know what I mean? I can't curse. First thing you're gonna do is throw some heavy cream. Any heavy cream works. Honestly, it gives you that little creamy texture that you want. The milk is not giving you that texture, so I don't recommend. And yeah, so after that, you're gonna throw in some onion powder, little splat. You did what I'm saying. Then some garlic powder. Add as much garlic powder as you desire because it's like the main ingredient. Some black pepper, cheese. This kind of moving too fast, so you know I can't really catch up. After this, you're gonna mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. I wish I could sing because I really do a little, a little talent for y'all, but your girl got no talent besides cooking. So I'm gonna add more garlic powder just because I feel like there wasn't enough. It's like a smell that comes out and like it wasn't really giving that. So you know your girl needs to make sure it's giving that because you know I'm eating this. Duh. So I did cook the pasta while I was doing the food just because I want everything to just go smoothly. Also, as you will see later on, well, right now in the video, I use pasta water while I'm cooking the sauce and just helps the flavor. Everything's heated up. I don't know the big difference to be honest, but I seen the difference rather than like the sink water or some other water. Like use the pasta water that is there. So make sure you little shimmer a little bit. Add a little bit more black pepper just so I could get a little bit more flavor. The flavor wasn't giving what I had to give. And yes, I had to add more garlic powder because this is that the main ingredient for the sauce, which is the most important thing. And you want things seasoned, right? So add some parmesan. This slowly helps evaporate different kind of flavors as well. Just like helping the texture thicken. I like my pastas real creamy. I don't know how you like it. And if it's not creamy, it's not busting. You know what I mean? Shit. This is mad fun to record. So after this, I'm gonna throw some pasta in there. I had to go get another tool because it wasn't really cutting it. So I here do I'm mixing it as I go, making sure that is it creamy, is it watery. Like the more I twist it around, it's kind of helping me detect what kind of texture it is. So like for like as you can see, it's a little watery. It's not really mixing well with it. But obviously, the more I add, it will get a little bit thicker. But I'm about to show y'all a little more tips to make it get a little thick. Because, you know, we like the cream thick. And if it ain't thick, then it's not what? Bussin'. Okay, don't play. The key ingredient is flour. If you want a creamy sauce, you gotta add some flour. Like, it sounds weird. It's not like as weird as you think it is, man. This right here is a game changer. The flour is a game changer. Add some more parmesan because you know you want your shit a little cheesy or whatever. See, here's like a little satisfying clip me mixing it up. You see the creaminess. Damn, I know y'all want to bite. And if you haven't already, check out my new photo on Instagram. I'm gonna show y'all a picture up top what I did with this meal because you know Germeats go crazy. Gonna add some mozzarella because you know if it ain't cheesy, then what's going on? Fun fact, I don't really like cheese like that, but cheese on a pasta don't do a little well together. You know what I mean? Keep mixing up. You seen it creamy. You see, like the spoon is kind of helping it like go on top, but like I don't know the cloth thing. It's like helping me mix around and make sure everything gets some part as I go. You add as much cheese as you want. I added water because the sauce wasn't jacking the cheese that much, so I needed to add more water. You see how everything is flowing smoothly now. You know what I mean? Like you gotta go crazy with the pasta. Here's a little another satisfying clip. Ooh, you want to bite? Like, comment, subscribe right now. Thank you for coming back to another video. Weekly uploads almost every day. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.